Sorry about that.
Ndumiriri ya hamwe, Chebukati na makamishna eri nio Abdigulie na Boyamolu, aria matigarite komiconi ya ithurano IEBC, augite matigotiga wira, makiuga mundu o wothe wina thina na uria komiconi iyo itarie kwa ihinda riri, agirire kurumirira watho kumeheria wabici-ini, handu ha kumahinyiriria matige wira.
Look, we can't stop Kenyans from speaking. The people say things. But what I want to say here and now is that if anybody feels that he has an issue with the commission, the law is very clear as to removal of commissioners from office. So they are at liberty to take that route if they so feel.
Chebukati augite bunge niyo ina kibarua gia guthondeka mawatho maria megutigirira komiconi iyo ni yathie na mbere na mihango yayo uria kwagirire.
As considered at the moment, Parliament will have to come up with legislation to spearhead the appointment of new commissioners. And at the end of the day, it's not for us to do that. The appointing authority will have to do that. We are looking forward to them speeding up the process so that the commission is properly constituted so that we can proceed with the commission's affairs.
Maya marathie na mbere o riria ateti matiganite mathiete na mbere guthingiriria Chebukati na makomishona acio matige wira niguo komiconi iyo yubwo weru. Kiroko kia umuthi maseneta a kamiti ya watho bunge-ini ya Senate ni mokirire Chebukati makiuga ni arigire gwikinya mucemanio-ini uria ugubangitwo niguo ataririe maundu matiganite maria magumeire IEBC.
We wanted to know whether or not the chairman can actually continue sitting as chair when the majority of members have lost confidence in both him and the commission.
So I'm not very happy. The best interpretation I can give to this issue is that the chairman is doesn't know the procedures, is still learning.
Kuringana na watho, komiconi ya IEBC yagirire gukorwo na makomishona 5 niguo ihote kuruta wira wayo uria kwagirire, no uria kuri kwa ihinda riri makomishona 3 tu no matigarite tondu ana ni marikitie gutiga wira. Maina wa Wairegi, Inooro TV.